Hello, this is Upper Beginner to Intermediate Story Learning 2.1. In Unit 1, we know about the girl's life. Her name is Elaine. Talks about her family and her work. Now in the chapter 2, we talk more about her work. So this story is available online, and you can see the description. There's a fast and slow MP3, and there will be some vocabulary as well. We can take a look. So Unit 2, we divided into 3 parts. So you will see 2.2 and 2.3. In each part, we will, if there's questions, we will talk about the questions before we learn the passage. And then we know roughly about the content. For example, it's about having breakfast and the time. Then we will hear the audio. After hearing the audio, we will go through the vocabularies together. And then we will talk about it. We'll do the fill in the blanks. Okay. So let's hear some sound.
第二課返工。我每日7點半起身，差唔多8點就食早餐。
So it would sound like this. And then let's hear the questions. 佢幾點食早餐？幾點？ Okay, so this is Yale romanization. This is 粵拼. Okay, so they are similar to each other. So we can take a look. 幾點? So they are the same. 幾點? When or which hour? 幾點? 幾點? 食早餐. It's the breakfast. 早餐. So you can see the different here. Yale is with J and Z for 粵拼. 早餐. 早餐. So my student, they once ask, so it is CH, maybe I have to pronounce it like this, sh, sh, sh. And I tell them no need. So it should be 餐 like this. But CH is the romanization of Yale. So it is not the English sh, sh sound. 餐. 佢8點3食早餐. So this is the time. 8點3. 3 is like a quarter past, like 15 minutes. 3, if it is 8點1, then it's 8:05. 8點2, 8:10. 8點3, 8:15. No, 8:15. 食早餐. And then, when do you have your breakfast? 你幾點食早餐? 我8點食早餐. Actually, I really eat at 8. 8點食早餐. Okay. Alright. So we'll hear the audio. It could be long. I will pause a little bit so it won't be too difficult. Or maybe we should take a look of the vocabulary first to help you a little bit. So you will see 每日7點半起身，差唔多早餐大概8點3個字，會搭地鐵返工，公司中環 8:10 you can see 10返到 okay 15 vocabulary, so the audio can be obtained here.
第二課返工
So we hear it once again.
第二課返工2.1每日7點半起身，差唔多早餐大概8點3個字，會搭地鐵返工，公司中環8點10返到。
Okay, so this is the part 1, all right, of this unit 2. Let's hear together.
我每日7點半起身，差唔多8點就食早餐，大概8點3個字，我就會搭地鐵返工。我公司喺中環，每日大概8點10就返到公司。
Okay, so it's long, so around 20 seconds. So now we are going to hear kind of sentence by sentence. All right, the first one is about I every day 7:30 get up.
我每日7點半起身，差唔多8點就食早餐。
Okay, let's move a little bit. Okay, 我每日 every day 每日係啦。If you find this a new word to you, then you probably need to jot it down. 每日 I think this is useful. Every day 每日 So you can see the H here. So H, just an H is tone 6 每 and 日呢 this is tone 6 as well 每日差唔多 is roughly around approximate about okay 起身 is wake up and it is not wake up, it's get up your wake up is another word 8點差唔多8點食早餐差唔多8點就食早餐就 here is then around 8:30 then I eat breakfast 就食早餐大概 is also about they are similar idea 8點3個字8點3個字 a quarter past 8
我每日7點半起身，差唔多8點就食早餐，大概8點3個字，我就會搭地鐵返工。我公司
okay 8點3我就會搭地鐵就會 you can see there's two 就 so it's a approaching you're doing something next you can see then 就食早餐就會搭地鐵會 here is will 搭地鐵搭 is to take the bus 搭巴士 you can even use 搭飛機 take the airplane or 睇先啦返工
司喺中環，每日大概8點10就返到公司。
好 okay alright so we see several words here breakfast 早餐 搭地鐵 metro， 跟住就 arrive to work。OK， 係啦，食早餐，and then 搭地鐵，搭 DAP， 搭地鐵啱啦，搭通3，跟住就 arrive to work。It would be 返到公司。Okay, so 返到公司，返工 is go to work. You can see here 返工 go to work. So what's the difference between 返工 and 返到公司呢？So 返到 this one is arrived. This one is just go. Okay, so like go to school is 返學. Okay, I don't type the tone. If you actually arrive to school, that would be 返到學校. Okay, 學校啊，返到學校。So I want to talk a little bit more, give you some idea of breakfast. If you don't eat your breakfast at home in Hong Kong, there's one more option. You go to a restaurant, a fast food restaurant, pretty fast. You go there, queue up, pay money, queue up and get the food like a canteen. Then you will get a milk tea, 奶茶, 麵包, 香腸, 雞扒. Sometimes this is the real picture. It doesn't look really good, but just simply because the resolutions of the image is not very good. I always go there. 我鍾意食早餐，好平，very cheap. 你睇下，around €3 or a little bit more. So you get there's some noodles, 米粉. Okay, so that's the last part. We are going to do the fill in the blanks together.
我每日7點半起身。
Okay, so there's a space here. It should be 每日起身 get up. Eat it again.
7點半起身。
Okay, next one.
差唔多8點就食早餐。
Okay, so literally is 差唔多. So you can try to write down the romanization 差唔多 to help you memorize. 8點就食早餐 here.
大概8點3個字，我就會搭地鐵返工。
Okay, so 搭地鐵返工。
我公司喺中環，每日大概8點10就返到公司。
我公司喺中環，每日 every day 大概 around about 8點10 15 minutes 8:50就返到 arrive to 返到公司。好啦，so that's the end of this unit 2.1.